Hi, this is Patrick Clark with Lucky Sheep, and I'm going to show you my sleep sanctuary that is, I call it my backyard sleep sanctuary. And this is a good thing if you have a backyard. It's really good because it gets you outside. You can get grounding and negative ions, the fresh air, and a whole lot of health benefits and sleep benefits that to improve your, not only your sleep, but your health in general, your mitochondrial function. And all of this is very scientifically documented with circadian rhythm, with our circadian rhythms, and a whole lot of health markers that are benefited by grounding, sunlight, darkness, being away from EMFs, electromagnetic fields, and Wi-Fi routers and wiring in indoor houses, and also, you know, chemicals that are off-gassing from the houses. So, you know, even if you have a healthy house, or maybe you don't have a healthy house and you just need to get out of your house for a while, it can be a really nice thing to have a backyard sleep sanctuary. You can see I have perfected the art after a lifetime of playing around with sleeping outside, and even when I was a kid, you know, I mean, we would make like a little tent in the yard and sleep in the yard, so just for the fun of it. So it kind of brings out the child in you in a way. And you can see the new Lucky Sheep teepee, organic canvas teepee tent in the background there, that beautiful golden teepee there. That's where I'm headed. I've already set up the teepee, and it's about, you know, I happen to live like, you know, you wouldn't call this a backyard, right? This looks like wilderness, which it is. It's wilderness, but you know, it happens to be that Lucky Sheep is located in a beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains of western North Carolina, and so I have the advantage of being in a really, really nice, pristine environment. But, you know, even if it's just your backyard and you're in the city and you have enough of a backyard to do it, it can still bring almost the same benefits. And I'm going to demonstrate, you know, how I do it and everything, and all the gear that I use. So first off, I'm bringing the gear from my house, which is about 100 yards from my house. And so I've got the gear in this Lucky Sheep backpack, and I'll take it over there to the canvas teepee and unpack it and show you what I do and all the little tips and tricks that I use. Okay, so let's go over here. It's just incredible to wake up having had a good night's sleep with all the grounding and the fresh air. I don't know what the main benefit, I mean, all of these things are benefits, but I mean, there's nothing like sleeping outside of your house, especially when you can have so much comfort. It's not like, you know, I mean, it's like a compromise. I mean, it's actually more comfortable in many ways than a house with a bed. And the reason why is because of organic materials that work with nature, wool, and that is breathable and moisture wicking, and it makes you feel like you're in a house that has just air, like you're not really under covers. You just wake up like you're in a comfortable, balanced environment that's just exactly the right temperature. And then the other thing is the wax canvas. A wax canvas shelter like this is breathable, but it holds like a certain amount of your body heat in, but it lets out the vapor from your breathing. And it's just an incredible feeling to be in a canvas tent. Like, it's pretty much almost gone out of existence. Like, most of us haven't ever experienced either wool or canvas, but put them both together and you've got a powerhouse of a sleep sanctuary. So here we're gonna unzip the opening. This is an 8-foot, it's an 8-foot diameter little 2-person tent. And let's walk around it and see what it looks like. And I've set it up on a slope. It's sloped here, you know. And I did that intentionally because they're just the right amount of slope, which could be 11 degrees or something less than 11 degrees. Gives you a certain type of therapy called tilt bed therapy. And that they found that this sleeping with your head up a little bit from your body like this increases your circulation and makes it so that your heart doesn't have to work as hard, works hard to pump. And then because of that, you know, your heart is sort of being preserved. It's not wearing out as much, and it makes sleep easier. And it also creates some interesting effects that, you know, I mean, like dreams and things like that happen so much from this circulation being moved while you sleep. It's similar to the way the sap moves in a tree up and down. I won't go into the details right now, but just tilt bed therapy. Now, you don't have to do all of these therapies, right? I'm just showing you what I do, and you can think about it. Okay, so let's go in here, and well, first I'll show you what I'll. Okay, let's just go in here and. Okay, so inside the new Lucky Sheep teepee tent, and I'm going to unpack. Look, it's golden. It's because the color of this teepee is yellow, and so everything looks yellow and gold in here. So here's the that's another thing, is light therapy. Gold is really good for mood and mood enhancement. Okay, so energizing. Okay, so here's the gear. First off, I've set up the teepee. It's an octagon, so we've got pyramid therapy. I forgot to mention that. You're sleeping inside a pyramid, and it's a pyramid with no metal, so it's really sleep enhancing and just coherent energy and well-being, healing, feng shui. Okay, so sacred geometry. So we have this this sil nylon ground sheet that's right here on the ground. So we'll put everything else on that. And I also have an article about how to sleep, the art of sleeping outside, on the website already, that you can see for lots and lots of in-depth details. But okay, so here's a bag of clothing. It's in a sil nylon stuff sack, which is waterproof. And by the way, even when it's really cold, this is still great, and especially because it's inside this protected tent, which keeps the wind off and preserves some of your body heat and the heat from the earth, without holding in the moisture. Okay, so here is the Lucky Sheep sleeping bag, Rewilder. This is a 20-degree, 4-pound wool, organic wool sleeping bag. Okay, and then here's the clothes that I bring for sleeping, which is merino base layer. Okay, so we got the pajamas made from merino, because you want wool. You don't want to wear cotton or something inside wool, because that would defeat the whole purpose of the wool, most of it or part of it. Okay, so we got some merino base layers that I would wear, and then a wool camp pillow. All of this that you can get at Lucky Sheep, and some wool socks, here. Okay, so we got the clothes, the pillow, the sleeping bag, and then there's a sleeping pad in here, inside the Lucky Sheep backpack. Okay. It's 8-foot diameter. It sleeps 2 people comfortably, and you can stand up. It's about 7 feet high inside, so you can stand up. So it's a really, really nice small tent. Just the right size for a small tent. Okay, so I'm getting the sleeping pad out. Now this is a closed cell foam sleeping pad. This happens to be a Camp Moore Ridge Rest sleeping pad. So I'll put it down. Put it down first on top of the still nylon ground sheet. Oh, and by the way, here's another interesting tip. I finally figured out the problem with sleeping on a tilt in the woods, you know, when you're camping, is that you slide down, and you can slide off your pad and end up kind of on the ground and stuff. And so I finally figured out how to deal with that. So what I came up with is you get some poles, and you can use your trekking poles, you know, sometimes if you have trekking poles, or you can use just some sticks that are on the ground. And so I put them on right here at the foot, where the foot is, and I hold them in place with a tent stake, so you can see there. So I actually have three wooden poles here that are held in on each side with a tent stake, and then that's enough that my feet kind of go up against that, and then that holds me. That keeps me from sliding down, even though some of this material is a little slippery. Okay, so that's how you stay put. And then okay, so then I put my Lucky Sheep sleeping bag. And then, okay. I've got it upside down. Okay. Lucky Sheep's Rewilder sleeping bag with weather wool liner. Okay. That's the sleeping bag. And then so, you know, what if you want more pillow? Like, that's a kind of a little small pillow. Like, what if you sleep on your side and you need more pillow or something? So for that, you know, what my little tip is, well, say I'm wearing a sweater. I'm also wearing a Lucky Sheep waxed canvas jacket, rain parka. And so this sweater, I'll take it off, and I will use that for a bigger pillow, kind of fold it up and use that for a bigger pillow for side sleeping. And let's see, what else is there? Yeah, so, you know, you can bring whatever. Earplugs are nice, and I also actually have a merino shawl, what I use for a scarf for covering my eyes with and my head, because I like to have like complete black over my eyes. And earplugs are good because it can get windy or rainy or whatever, you know, or there could be traffic, you know, in your backyard or whatever. And so, you know, this is winter. This is like kind of winter camping. I mean, not exactly winter camping, but it's winter time still. And it's not like super extreme right now, but tonight actually it's going to be interesting. It's going to get like 15 degrees, I think. You know, in your backyard, you have the luxury of bringing, you know, more than you would backpacking. So you can bring, you know, whatever extra gear and things that you need to be comfortable. And you know, just getting away from everything, just having a change of scenery and change of environment, and also you have a dedicated you know, space that's just for sleeping. You don't use it for other things. I mean, that's also another feng shui. It's a very pure, clean, very relaxing environment. You can also use your backyard sleep sanctuary as a getaway to go and do other activities during the day, like if you want to, whatever, a creative space to work and be outside more. And also, you know, because you're in the day, you're getting sunlight. It's really amazing health-wise to get sunlight, even if you're inside canvas and it's rainy or cold or whatever. Not super cold, but if you're inside a canvas, the infrared wavelengths actually penetrate, and you're still getting the benefits of infrared sunlight coming through. So the more, you know, this is a way you can spend more time outdoors, and you know, all the creative ways we can come up with to be outdoors more while we're still living our lives and doing the things we need to do. You don't necessarily have to just go outdoors and everything else stops. Just think of more ways to be outdoors, to do the things you already do. If you want to hang out and read or paint or whatever you do, you know, if you can do that outdoors, creating little backyard sanctuaries like this. And also, a lot of people are, well, you can bring the same setup when you travel, and you can sleep in, like, say if you're visiting your family, you can get away from them for a while and put it in the backyard if they have one. And so yeah, the new Lucky Sheep teepee tent. This is we're getting ready to launch it. You can still go and order it right now if you want. They'll probably be ready in by April. Okay, until next time, stay wild.